Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, hi, I'm Lillian and welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about carrot oil, and please, if you have not subscribed, please click on the subscribe button.
Let's hop in my Maserati, baby, hop in my Maserati. I say hop in my Maserati.
So guys, carrot oil contains high level of vitamin A, E and beta carotene, which are essential nutrients for hair health. Also helps restore moisture to hair, helps hair grow more quickly, and also protects hair from damage. It's also good for the skin. It also helps to remove stretch marks, but not as much as stretch mark oil. Softens the skin and gives you that glow. Like scrubbing though. So how to make carrot oil? There are two ways of making carrot oil. We have the boiling method and the frying method. So for the boiling method, what we'll need coconut oil, or any other carrier oil of your choice, carrots and vitamin E. Note, vitamin E is optional, guys. So what are the steps to making this carrot oil?
I know you like to party. I'm a touch on me. Show my body shit. Yeah, baby, come on, God. Innocent, nobody. I'm gonna make you happy. Make you happy. Up in my Maserati. Baby, up in my Maserati. I say up in my Maserati.
So guys, that's it for the boiling method. I hope it was well explained. So now for the frying method, the same materials we use for the boiling is still the same for the frying, guys. So let's get right to it. What are the steps for this method?
Somebody needs somebody. My body needs somebody. Up in my Maserati, big love in my Maserati. I say up in my Maserati.
So guys, that's how you can make your carrot oil. This carrot oil is good for your hair. It's also good for your skin, not apply it at night because of the sun. Well, that's the end of this video. I hope you can make it now and sell it to make some money. Please click on the subscribe button if you have not clicked on the subscribe button, and leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you want me to make video on next, and see you on my next video. Bye.